When starting a new project, you need to place it in a new canvas. Once all the parameters are set, you have to proceed with the panel detection. This phase is extremely important to let Goliath know how big the workpiece is. There are two options to do it. Each one starts with the same steps to follow. Click on the panel detection button and place Goliath on the work surface. Go ahead following the instructions shown in Slingshot till the calibration of the yellow spinner. If you need more information about these steps, please watch the dedicated video about the panel detection by tower sensors. Now it's time to choose the panel detection mode. The first one is the panel detection by tower sensors, where you have to place the tower sensor on each vertex of your working area. The second one is the panel detection by typing dimensions, where you can manually input the dimension of your working area in Slingshot, skipping the steps about the physical detection of your panel vertices. We are now choosing this second mode, but if you want to see more about the other one, please see the dedicated video in our playlist. The first thing you have to do is to fix the tower sensors into two adjacent vertex of the working area. After that, you will be able to manually insert the dimension of your panel, typing the length of each side in millimeters. Please note that this panel detection mode is suitable and recommended only for regular panels, for example, rectangles or squares. Now your work area is set and you have to confirm it before proceeding with the following steps in the wizard. Connect the yellow pin of the tower sensor 1 to the yellow spinner on the top of Goliath. Now you have to connect the pin of tower sensor 2 to tower sensor number 1. Once they are hooked, click on the yellow button of tower sensor 2 in order to calculate the distance between the two sensors. Then you can move the gray pin of tower sensor 2 from the tower sensor 1 to the gray spinner on Goliath. Now each pin is hooked to its spinner, yellow with yellow, gray with gray. Proceed by confirming the position of the tower sensor 2 by clicking on the vertex where it is placed. From now, the procedure is the same for the two panel detection modes. Flag the most accessible sides of your working area and you're ready to start. If you need a more detailed explanation of some steps regarding the panel detection, please take a look at the video about the other panel detection mode.